Welcome to 1806 Nightingale in HOLT. This wonderful 2,144 square foot, two-story brick and vinyl home was built in 2006. It has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Through the decorative front door with beveled glass is an expansive 2-story foyer providing a welcoming entrance. The spacious living room has a gas fireplace with a handcrafted mantel and ceramic hearth. There is solid oak flooring in the foyer, dining room, and kitchen. The kitchen also features raised panel oak cabinetry, crown molding, plenty of counter space, and stainless steel GE profile appliances, including a range, microwave, and dishwasher, which were purchased in 2008. The dining room has a sliding door to your deck. There's a spacious closet or mudroom located just off of the entry from the garage. Upstairs there is a spacious master bedroom and bathroom. There are 3 additional bedrooms, another full bath, and a conveniently located laundry room. 3 of the 4 bedrooms have walk-in closets. The basement is ready to be finished. There are 9-foot poured walls with a stamped brick pattern for an attractive appearance, an egress window, and it is plumbed for a full bathroom. Save money on energy bills with a 92% efficiency furnace, direct vent water heater, and insulated low-E windows. There is an attached 3-car finished garage. The property is located in a subdivision close to schools. The house is at the end of the cul-de-sac and is on a 1/2 acre lot, one of the largest in the subdivision. The backyard is fenced. Call Patty to preview. You will appreciate everything this home has to offer, and it is a great value for the price. This home sold for $239,000 in 2006. Please enjoy the virtual tour.